Hello, it's Monica from Crafting with Quilling Lady and welcome back to my channel. It is Monday, so it is time for personalized card. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create super quick and beautiful birthday card using Gelli Art Prints collection designed by Karolina Osuchowska, which you can find on relatively thoughtful website. And I left the link in the description down below. As you can see, this collection is perfect for literally any occasion. And if you haven't seen my previous video with this collection, the link is in the top right corner. I really like the vivid colors here and all the patterns because you can go really wild with all your ideas. And I do have some leftovers and I'm going to show you how to use them for smaller elements for your cards. But first we're going to create the background panel, and I absolutely love that green and teal design paper. It is perfect and I thought yes, it will be amazing for today's project. As you can see, I created myself a rectangle and using double-sided tape I'm going to put it on a bigger panel. Super quick and easy, and as you probably guessed it, this card is pretty standard version, which is 5 by 7 inches. And if you haven't seen any of the relatively thoughtful collections, check the website and I left the link in the description down below. Also, I want to invite you to our Facebook group called RT Create, Make and Share. So if you have any of the relatively thoughtful design papers, you can share your makes there. And it's definitely worth joining the group. So I really hope to see you there. I'm going to use Crafter's Companion Amalfi cutting die, and I'm going to create a panel using the bigger die. And I'm going to use exactly the same color card I use for the background to mat and layer all my elements. And using the smaller one, I'm going to use the leftover. So yes, you can always keep your scraps because you can use them with smaller dies. And I do encourage you to do exactly the same, and this way there is no waste. So please keep them because trust me, you probably have so many smaller dies that you can use for variety of projects. So when these elements are ready, we can start assembling all the elements together. And I'm going to use my one and only liquid glue, magic glue. It is perfect for any card making projects as it is a book binding glue and it dries clear. That's why I use it so many times in my paper craft projects. What do you think about this color palette so far? Please let me know in the comments down below. As you can see, I've got 5 by 7 inches cut base, and using my pokey tool, I'm going to peel off the backing of the double-sided tape, and then adding few drops of liquid glue, I will make sure that all the pieces will be adhered forever. And I do wonder, how many birthday cards do you make a month? If you know, please let me know in the comments down below. And also, do you like personalized cards or do you like general cards? Please let me know. And also, how often do you standard size cards? Like in this case, 5 by 7 inches, or do you prefer squared cards? To make this card pop even more, I'm going to use double-sided foam adhesive. It is my favorite way to add some dimension and interest. And I wonder, do you have your favorite foam adhesive? If you do, let me know in the comments down below. And when these elements are ready, yes, we are going to add on your birthday, and I use gold mirror card to die cut the sentiment, and in this case it is in Polish because Karolina is Polish and this card I created for her birthday. So if you like this idea to create something for the person who designed the design paper and give the card to her, please let me know what do you think about this. And now, as you can see, I'm going to use black fine liner and I'm going to draw some flowers. So yes, you can keep all those scraps because you can create lots of beautiful small elements. So in this case, you don't really need any dies or punches. Literally, you draw your flowers, and if you don't like them, you can do it again. As you can see, there is plenty of card left, so yes, I can use every single inch of it. That's why I really like this collection, because it's just so vivid and it has so many beautiful colors and everything mixed and matched beautifully. So if you have never tried this, collection. I really hope today is the day, and you can have a look at the website I left in the description down below. Also, I left the link to Craft World website where you can share your relatively thoughtful makes, but also our Instagram and Facebook group. So please have a look at those. And for the very first time, I also included the blog for Relatively Thoughtful. So you can check all the amazing designs and cards and projects that the design team creates. So head over there to check what you can make with all those amazing collections from Relatively Thoughtful. As you can see, you don't really need any special dies for this. If you don't like the flower, just draw another one, as simple as it is, and then using your scissors just fussy cut them. And if you're interested in any of the products I use in today's video, you can check the description down below because I left some affiliate links, and if you use those links, that really supports my channel, so thank you so much. And then to add a little bit more dimension to all the flowers, I'm using my palm and finger to shape them. Super quick and simple, isn't it? So if you have never tried this technique, I really hope today is the day. And now I'm going to do the dry run just to make sure that everything is where it should be. And with the leftover from the background panel, I'm going to draw some leaves. Super simple shape, but I really think that will add more interest, especially where you can see that color in the background. And I wonder, do you use that technique for your cards? If you do, let me know. I also wonder, have you actually joined our Facebook group called RT Create, Make and Share? If you have, let me know in the comments, or maybe you are going to join today, and that will make us really happy because you can see all the amazing makes that everyone creates and you can share yours too. So I really want to see you there. As you can see, this is such a simple card to create, but sometimes that's exactly what we need. We don't really need to go overboard with all those elements. I think this collection is perfect. As I said before in my previous video, I think it is the best collection for any occasion because it has so many beautiful patterns and designs you can use for variety of birthday cards, anniversaries, even mail cards, and that's why I absolutely love this collection. Now I'm going to shape all those leaves using a ball tool. You can get it for a very cheap price at Amazon, and you can also use them for cake decorating as well. So actually this tool is not only for paper crafting, but you can use it for many different things. And when these are ready, then I'm going to start assembling all those flowers and leaves on a card. So the card will be really quick to make, but as I said before, you don't really need many dies to create this project. So if you like fussy cutting, I really hope you will get this collection. I absolutely love it, and I'm definitely going to create more projects with it. And also, I left the link to Relatively Thoughtful YouTube channel. So if you want to check some of the videos there, please go and subscribe because that really means a lot to us. And when these elements are ready, I thought I like it so far. But when using some gold mirror card, there is a way to add a little bit more sparkle on a card, and to do it I'm going to use some gold gems because why not? No one is going to stop me, and this way gold mirror card and gold gems will match perfectly. If you agree, let me know in the comments down below. Also, on a Thursday, I'm going to have another Christmas project for you, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because that really means a lot to me. Have a wonderful day, and I really hope to see you on a Thursday for some Christmas makes. Happy crafting!